Hi guys, if your Nespresso Vertuo is blinking red or not brewing properly, the light pattern is usually telling you exactly what's wrong. So in this guide, you are going to learn the most important red light meanings and the fastest fixes. Now on the Nespresso Vertuo, the different red light behaviors means different problems. For example, if you are seeing a steady red light, it means overheating. If the red light is blinking twice, it means the capsule or the lid issue is there. If you find the red and the green lights blinking together, it means descaling is needed. If you are finding that rapid blinking of the red light is there, it means that the internal system fault. So identifying the pattern first is going to save you a lot of time. Now, in order to fix it, you need to check the capsule position and the lid lock. So you need to open your machine and remove the capsule. Just make sure that the pod is seated correctly and close the lid firmly until it locks completely. Now, virtual machines stop brewing if the barcode reader cannot scan the capsule properly. Now, if the lid is solid red, you can unplug the machine and left it cool for about 20 minutes. Sometimes overheating often happens after multiple brew cycles back to back, so make sure that you give it some time to cool down. Now you can also run a cleaning cycle. For that, simply fill the tank with the help of the water. After that, you just have to run a cleaning cycle without a capsule. This also flushes the blocked water paths and it will also reset the minor sensor issues. Now on many Virtuo models, you can also press the brew button 3 times within 2 seconds in order to start the cleaning mode. So these are the steps that are going to solve most of the Nespresso Vertuo blinking red light issues quickly. So let me know if that does. Thank you.